So it's March 13th. It's about 5 to 6 p.m. So this is extra time. And I just noticed that the ES was pretty much nosediving, but it was starting to build a little bit of a volume area here. And the last couple of times it did that, here and here, pretty much sellers absorbed all the buying that was happening at this level and also over here in the 30-year and in the 5-year. So that is tradable in my book. I doubt I'll get filled, but we'll see. Yeah, look at that, I actually got filled. Okay, we got filled on our last target. Total time in trade was about 37 minutes. Pretty straightforward. This is aftermarket, and this is incredibly slow. But the last couple of days in treasuries have been this slow, almost. But that's a pretty straightforward trade when you see that absorption there, like that, in this big node, especially across all products. It's pretty much a no-brainer. But yeah, that's all I got.